So what is printing? Printing is when the outline of your gun shows through your clothing. It may look like an obvious gun, or it may be more subtle, like a corner poking out where your shirt should be smooth, or a lopsided shape that disrupts your silhouette. Even if it's not obviously gun-shaped, printing can make people stop and take a second look at you to try to figure out why you don't look quite right. When your gun is completely hidden inside the envelope of space between your clothing and your body, it's concealed. Note that concealment is dynamic and it can change when you move, reach, or bend. A great way to test your concealment is by taking a video of yourself moving around and see if you can spot the gun or the odd shape. The next natural question is, does printing really matter? Especially when we might live in an area where open carry is legally permissible. And the answer to that is highly contextual, individual, and it's important to decide this for yourself and not for others. However, there are some benefits to concealing a gun that are worth mentioning here. By effectively concealing our firearm, we can prevent ourselves from being selected specifically because we are carrying, whether that be selected by a criminal or a busybody who just doesn't like guns in their community. We can maintain the element of surprise and take action if need be, instead of having to react after we have been potentially selected. We can avoid social friction. While crime is relatively rare, everyday interactions also have consequences. Good concealment means you control the image you project. Keep in mind that it's normal to feel self-conscious about printing at first. The way to gain confidence is by building skill and proficiency, not by talking yourself into thinking it doesn't matter. If you would like to stop printing and conceal better, check out our concealment mechanics graphics and video series.